This is definitely going to be one of the coolest little spots I ever try. No way. That was awesome. Recording? Yeah, I am. And this, I had the hook bent out and I still got it. Man, that thing is chunky. Oh. Oh, that was a hit. Oh, no. Had a hold of it good. It's even got teeth marks in it. Oh, that was weird. There, it got one. Smallmouth. Really, really dark smallmouth. Man, they were... Small jaws wanted the big Joshy. Come on, little guy. Oh, almost. There we go. Let go of the... Man, I can't even get the big Joshy out of there. Got another one. Oh, wow. Oh! Wiper! I believe that's a hybrid. I believe it's a wiper. I believe it's a baby wiper. Come here. Come on, get out of there. There you go. It might be a white bass. Oh, quit your shaking. That is what I am after, though. Huh. I would say with the broken lines like that, it is a wiper. Just a baby wiper. I believe. See you later, little dude. Man, I thought this spot would be fire. No. No. Oh, there's another one. Oh, wow. That feels a lot bigger. Or he's just in the current real good. Oh, another wipey. Come here, little guy. Man, I love these little things. They fight so much harder than most of your average bass. Man. It's crazy what you'll find in current. There's another one. Every cast, that is just, it must be a whole little school of them. Is that a bass? That is a small jaws. Look at that. That was awesome. See you later, Mr. Small Jaws. There's another one. Oh, it got off. Nope, no it didn't. It was just running at me. Man, every cast. Man, that guy's chunky. Chunky monkey. Oops, sorry about it. I got your eye a little bit. All right, first cast, forgot to turn the camera back on, but got something big again. From the way it's fighting, it feels like it's something snagged. If not, this is a nice fish. Oh, no. Well, I guess it is kind of snagged, but got me a catfish. My goodness. How many species am I gonna do today? Oops. Come here. Just chill, little guy. Just chill, I don't want you. Sorry, buddy. Okay, let you go, bud. Man. The way it was fighting, I thought I got a flathead. Got one. Oh no! There we go. What is that? Oh, it's a cell guy. Look at that. Got me a cell guy. Come on now. They're a little feisty. Hey. Oh, there we go. Oh my. What do I have? Oh my. Dude, this thing is pulling hard, going straight in that current. I gotta stop it. Oh, oh my goodness. What do I have? Oh. I think I have one of the. What is striper? I can't tell, man. This thing is digging down in that current. Oh, it's a stupid buffalo. You stupid buffalo. There you go, bud. Man, I thought I had me a nice old striper.